Introducing DuPont Tychem 6000 SFR, a durable yet lightweight garment, combining broad chemical protection with secondary flame resistance. Primary flame resistance is provided by a primary flame-resistant or FR coverall, which should always be worn underneath. By wearing Tychem 6000 SFR on top, the combined garments not only enhance flame resistance, but also offer chemical protection. Tychem 6000 SFR provides a barrier to permeation up to 30 minutes against more than 250 chemicals, making it the ideal solution for environments where chemical splash and flash fire hazards coexist, such as applications and tasks that include exposure to flammable liquids, powders, and dust, as in the industries listed here. To demonstrate the secondary flame resistance of Tychem 6000 SFR, we use the Thermal Protection Evaluation System, designed to simulate a garment's exposure to direct fire using a life-sized mannequin with 122 heat sensors. These are used to calculate the predicted percentage of second and third degree burn injuries. This thermal mannequin is dressed in a commercial primary flame-resistant coverall and balaclava. A secondary flame-resistant garment made with Tychem 6000 SFR is added to create an ensemble. The thermal mannequin is exposed to flames for 4 seconds in a fire engulfment scenario. Secondary flame-resistant garments should not negatively impact the thermal performance of the primary FR protective clothing worn underneath. This demonstration confirms that when Tychem 6000 SFR coveralls are worn as an ensemble with the commercial primary FR protective clothing tested here, the predicted total burn injury is significantly reduced compared to standalone commercial primary FR protective clothing when measured under these test conditions. The secondary flame resistance of Tychem 6000 SFR is additional to its comprehensive protection against hazardous chemicals.